My video, and this is my new house and still playing in creative mode, but we're going to make a huge city. This is my cozy house. I feel really cozy. There's a bear. Huh? Oh. Today I'm going to try making a cocoa bean farm, but yeah, my house is not the best place in the world of Minecraft, but it can do. Wait a second. Nah. Is that a rare block or no? What? This is rare. Okay, I don't want to be lost. So there's like a pathway without I make it. I just realized I just write S when I was playing this game. Okay. We're making a cocoa bean farm. Which is a normal one. Jungle. Wait, I need to sort my items. Hey you. What you got for me? What? Meh. Nothing great. What? Oh yeah. Wait a second. It's like somebody wearing a hat. So funny looking house. Got a little bit of open window so I can still breathe the oxygen, which is very important. Put that. Ooh, snowballs. I want to keep it. So I can play snowballs later. Yeah, this should be organized enough. Yep, that's great. Alright. Jungle. It's this one, right? Or this one. Just take both of it. And then cocoa bean. Is it like that or? Oh, I forgot how to spell cocoa beans. Just get to the nature place. Any cocoa bean? No. What? Coa. Oh yeah. Cool. Yes! Cocoabean. And then piston. What is it called again? Dispenser. Lever or lever. What is it called? I don't know. And then hopper and chest, which I have there. Wait, I'm going to test it first. So it's like, oh, hi. I don't know if this is winter or snow biome, but it's okay. Oh, don't need that one. I don't want to make it there. I kind of want to make the farm here. Yeah, this is a good place. It's a... Oh my gosh. And then if I flick the lever, as I thought it... What? Oh, really? We'll do this work tomorrow. I mean, not in real life, but in Minecraft tomorrow. Oh no. I forgot to close the door. Phew. So what I'm going to make is like jungle log and put the lever there. Stick it. Oh, really? Yeah. Like that, and then put cocoa beans. Hopper. Oh, I forgot something. Ah, really? Yeah. What? Okay. They're connected, so it's like fall down. Just make it underground place. For the storage system, if this works, it will be my first working factory. Later I will decorate this for sure. And then Oh, really? Wait. Ah. That, wait. Okay. Great. Like that. Okay, I think I'm trying to get it. So then the cocoa beans will go. Okay. I think it's done. It's not something too crazy. What? The cocoa beans drop right over here. And there. That should work. And that should do the trick. Wait a second. I need to make plenty more of these. Because the cocoa bean is... If I ran out one stack, then what will I do? I mean, it doesn't duplicate. Oh, why? The question is, does it work? Not there, not there, not there, there. I think I take the cocoa bean. Okay. Just why? Oh, this is very annoying. Ah. also just for it so it doesn't get anywhere. Not there, here. Okay, this should do the trick. Did it work? Did it? Yes! It worked. Definitely. Okay. Just need a jungle tree right over here. And then put so many cocoa beans. Just hope it works out well. This is a really annoying project. I'm sure it will grow. Wait. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with my uncle? My uncle just like to scream like that. Like Donald Duck. Yes. Just one thing that I needed, which is put that wait, that's that there and tough to decorate my farm over here. Hey, you're not allowed to go near my farm. Oh, hey, don't play with my farm. Ooh, there's some that grow well. Okay. And then diorite. 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 Wait a second. Much better. Oh, yeah. Still not done yet, cause door. Yes. Just get the door. Flicked it. Wrong side. What? Okay. Oh yeah. How's my cocoabean? Ooh, nice and healthy. Just give that, and you can go here and just flick the lever or the lever. Now, ooh, nice and healthy. Then it will just go there and get back the lever, and then get my cocoa bean here and farm it again. I don't know what was that. Ooh, pandas! Are you pandas? Snow. Snow is falling. Oh, killer bunny! I thought it was deleted from the Minecraft. So this is actually an old version of Minecraft. Okay, guys, that's my end of today's. That's the end of today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe, cause if this video get 100 likes in a month, you guys comment below. I will do everything that you guys comment. Everything, even crazy things. And before that, I want to check what is this. Cause is this uncolored spruce leaf, or the spruce leaf is turning to white because of the snowstorm? Yeah, I definitely need to get leather. That was cold. Oh yeah, one thing that I wanna do that I said earlier. It's snowball time! Playing alone. Woohoo! Spam it, spam it. I wonder. Wait a second, I see something odd. Ooh, yes, that is the thing that I said odd. I cannot see unplanted cocoa beans anymore. Oh yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.